Heading to Nepal, let's make sure you're packed right for an awesome adventure in the Himalayas. Here's a quick guide to help you get started. Pack layers to handle Nepal's unpredictable weather. Light shirt for warm days, a warm jacket for the cold, and a waterproof layer for rain. Simple, versatile, and perfect for any climate. Sturdy hiking boots that fits really well for the trails, and some comfy sandals or sneakers for downtime. Your feet will thank you. Essentials are key. Bring a first aid kit, a sunscreen, insect repellent, and a power bank to keep your phone charged for those epic photos. Keep energy bars and reusable water bottles very handy. They'll keep you going strong on those long treks. And don't forget your passport, visa, and travel insurance. Store them in a waterproof bag and keep a few copies on hand. Your camera, chargers, and a few personal items like a small pillow or your favorite book to make you feel at home on your journey. And that's it. With these essentials, you are set for a Nepal trip filled with breathtaking views and, of course, with great memories. Safe travels and yes, safe packing.